Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Carryover models for 2024 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler is up today, coming in at $38,499. Previous year was $36,599, a difference of $1,900. Now, again, keep in mind, the surcharge is gone. I know I'm saying this in all my videos, but a lot of people are looking at that price and thinking almost $2,000 more? What the heck is going on, right? Now, again, keep in mind the surcharge is no longer included on that, which was $1,000 last year. So technically, if you want to take those two and kind of cancel one another out, you're left with $900 only as the price increase overall for the Freewheeler, which is pretty good. Now, obviously, if you want to take a look at, I don't know, the transport fees or something like that, yeah, that's still included in the extras. So your transport fees, your taxes, all that's still extra. That's not included. We're talking about the base price only, so $38,499. So what are you getting? Well, as a carryover model, there's nothing different whatsoever except the base color. We're going to have billiard gray just like every other model. However, you're going to have pinstriping on the bike, which personally looks really good. And of course, you have black trim only. There's still no chrome offering for this. And I believe that is because they had that huge update last year, I believe. And I don't know if you guys watched the previous video that I did on the Freewheeler and the RG3. If you didn't, you guys can check that one out. I absolutely love the dark look of those bikes. They look very, very bold, aggressive. Love the styling on them. And of course, the RG3, I mean, that's a brand new model, but we'll talk about that one later. Now, Vivid Black is no longer the standard, so you're going to pay an extra $750 for this option, which, again, I mean, it's not that bad. They're not making it so that they're forcing people to get billiard gray bikes. They're still giving you guys that option of Vivid Black. However, there is a huge change in what they offer for the base model. So Billiard Gray is now the new Vivid Black. And from what I can tell, I think Harley is basically going back in time to when they first started and basically using some old colors, which I guess you could be appealing to nostalgia in a way. However, maybe they'll post a video to explain their thought process behind that change at the end of this month. The 24th, they're dropping a lot of news for us. Big news, apparently. New releases, so new models. And considering we don't have too many of the touring models on the website right now, we've got the 3 Grand Touring models, and then we have the 3 Trike models. We are still missing quite a bit. So obviously there's some pretty big news in store for us, and I haven't really heard a whole lot, which means Harley is doing an amazing job at keeping things under wraps. And I don't know if you guys have been watching long enough to see previous videos of me complaining about this, but I hate spoilers. I absolutely hate spoilers. That is why when I see stuff online and I'm doing my prediction videos, it makes me feel a little bit weird. And so I don't even know if I'm going to be doing a prediction video this month before the 24th, but if I do, I'm probably just going to piggyback off of what other people are saying and just have a discussion about what other people have predicted, because I'm finding that it kind of takes the fun out of things, but we can still talk about it anyway. So, back on track, we have two-tone paint as well. Alpine green, brand new colors here, mixed with vivid black. an additional $1,900. Now, this looks really, really good. However, from the back end of the bike, you get a huge shot of green. There's so much green there. So the mix of vivid black comes more into play at the other angles of the bike. ABS, security, and cruise control, all standard options on this model, and that's it. You know, we can have a big discussion about freewheelers later on. I'm actually planning to make a video about trikes. Pretty big video. I would say I'm going to put a lot of effort into breaking this family down, this model family down, because a lot of you guys actually are older. And that's not a bad thing. I look at the analytics, I see how old you guys supposedly are, and so I'm going to be catering to you guys who are going to be switching over to trikes down the road for whatever reason, injuries, just old age, whatever, you're losing the strength in your legs or your arms or whatever. I want you guys to feel at home while you're watching these videos. I want you to know that no matter how old you guys get, you can always ride a Harley-Davidson. So I'm going to be making a video especially for you guys. And if you guys are one of those people who loves trikes or are planning to transition over to a trike, not necessarily a freewheeler, any of the trike models, make sure to smash the like button for me right now so that I know that it's working. And I know that you guys have listened to this part of the video. Now, of course, I want to know what you guys think of this model. And so leave some comments down below for me. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future carryover model videos for the rest of this month. Make sure to hit that bell as well so you guys are notified. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.